So you guys, I decided to make my own seafood sauce, and y'all, this seafood sauce is thebomb.com. It is the Mandy seafood sauce. So watch out B-Loves and watch out QDQ. Y'all, that's all I love because I love both of them. But y'all, I hope y'all try this sauce that I made. It is so freaking good on your seafood boils and seafood. So stay tuned. And I put a whole stick of butter in there. And y'all, I use the real butter. I don't use that fake stuff like that margarine. And now I'm taking 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and putting that into the bag. And then I'm taking a full teaspoon of salt, and I will just toss it over in the bag. I try not to put too much salt in there because all of the other ingredients have salt in there as well. And now I'm taking Tony Chachere's Cajun seasoning, and I'm putting two teaspoons in there and putting that in the bag. And next I am taking some Zatarain's crab and shrimp boil, and I'm putting 3 teaspoons in the bag. And just pour it all into the bag. And so next I'm going to put some garlic, minced garlic. And I put 3 teaspoons of the minced garlic into the bag. And so next I'm going to put some cracked pepper. And yeah, I love cracked pepper. That's the freaking best. I just love the chunks of pepper, y'all. Like, it's the bomb. I can't even go back to the ground up pepper now that I'm hooked on cracked pepper. And so I'm just putting that in there. I'm putting a hearty helping, as you can see, into the bag. I just love pepper, y'all. And so next I actually put curry in there. I actually put curry in the first bag, but I ran out of curry. Yeah, I just love curry. But I did put curry in the first bag. And now I am taking some ginger, and I put maybe 2 teaspoons of ginger into the bag as well. Putting that over in there. And now I'm taking some paprika, and the paprika is what give it color. It give it that red color. And I also took some lemon pepper seasoning as well and put it in there. I put about 1.5 teaspoons of lemon pepper seasoning in there. And now I'm taking some lemon. I just cut the lemon in half, and I squeezed all the lemon into the bag to give it that extra lemony taste. And y'all, when I say that lemon gave the sauce that extra kick and the extra zest, oh my freaking goodness, y'all, it tasted so freaking good. Yes, y'all, love it, love it, love it. So just squeeze all that in there, and try to not get all the seeds in there. I did have to take some of the seeds out from the lemon, but that was fine. And you guys, I forgot to show you that I put some turmeric in there as well. I love turmeric, y'all. Like, oh, that's my go-to spice. So I did put a teaspoon, well, maybe 2 teaspoons in there. And I just love turmeric. Turmeric, curry, and ginger are my go-to spices. And I just love it, y'all. Oh, my God. So I hope y'all enjoy how I made that sauce. So now I'm just going to take the king crab, and along with the spices and the butter and all the good seasonings, just taking those king crab and putting it into the bag. And I hope you enjoy my Mandy sauce. And if you do, make sure you try it out. And if you do, make sure you tag me in the video when you do make it. All right, y'all, stay tuned for the next video.